So an update here on nat gas, coal, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So exact move we got what I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. So let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. For now, price is heading towards 50 EMA. We're going to get a possible bounce. As you can see, the price has recently rejected 50 EMA and also the trend line right here. I'm paying attention for another bounce out of, so as you can see, so again, the price is still in an uptrend. This is just a pullback in an uptrend and we might get another push up from here, and we can either get a push up from 50 EMA again back to the rejection zone which I've mentioned yesterday, or we can get a push up from the trend line below, which is right here, and next buy trade will be a condition if we have a bullish engulfer here above this trend line, or if we have a next candle as a red candle and then a green candle that closes back above 50 EM. If we have a valid buy signal, and price will still head higher. What a nice hit of the take profit right here with this bullish engulfer as mentioned yesterday. If you have a candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we have a buy signal and we have exact move above 50 EMA. Only one candle closed below 50 EMA, the next candle closed back up 50 EMA, and then the price pushes up. I don't know why the color has changed to blue. Let me change that. I don't like this color. Right, let's see. Yeah, we are good. So exactly same if you are trading on this platform, we have a bullish engulfer. If you are trading here on Owanda, where I personally trade, we have a valid condition from swing high. Right here we had a nice swing low, bullish engulfing pattern. Right here the take profit has been hit easily. Now the reason I've been saying that, so I've been telling that we are still in an uptrend, and the reason is the sellers are unable to push the market lower, and every time they hit the trend line or hit 50 EMA, they always push the price higher. I'm also looking at one more thing. Every time the price pushes up, it always makes a new high. Let me take you back here when the price started its uptrend. From here, I know that a long wait, but we had lots of entries here. We had lots of winners here. Every time the entry happens, that is always with the condition. Now, if you see, the price started to push up from here with this bullish engulfer. If you follow me, you have seen this entry. We had a price made a new high, break above this high. Then we had a good pullback, and then we had a price make a new high, break above this high. Then we have a massive pullback. For the next buy trade, I wanted to see either the price makes a new high for a continuation or break below this trend line for a selling continuation. But that didn't happen. And what happens after that? We had another hit of the trend line. The price pushes back up, made a new high, break above this high. So that is why I was keep on telling you that price is making new high, because the buyers combinedly thinks that the price of this particular instrument must be higher, and we buyers push this price higher. That is how the technical trading looks like. All these buyers are looking at the new highs, and then we had a good pullback. All I wanted to see a new high from here. Then we had a resistance right here. There was a pullback expected as mentioned. We had a new high. Then we had a pullback. We had a nice condition here for sell trade, and then we had another high right here with this candle, and then we had a pullback. Now we have another high right here with this candle. Let me remove this mess. Now that is how the uptrend looks like, and that is how the buyers push the price higher, and that is how you know that the price is still in an uptrend. As long as price is making new highs, not breaking below the previous high. If that happens, we have a confirmation that price wants to head lower. So at this point, we have another high, price is pushing up, and now I'm expecting a price to push even further and hit the next level of resistance, which is above, which is 3.927, from where I'll see if I get a conditions like bearish engulfers or double top. That will be just a little scalp, a pullback that is enough to hit your targets, and then the price will head higher and keep on pushing higher. That is what I'm looking at. The current market situation is telling me every time the price makes a new high, it pulls back up, then it hit the resistance level. We look for the entries like this bearish engulfer. We take sell trades, and that sell is enough to hit your targets. We pull back. We have a pin bar that is our sell condition. Then we take sell trade. Then we have another high. We have another pin bar. We had a double top. We took a sell trade, and that is enough to hit your target, and then price is now making new high. So that is the concept of a market. That is why I always say not taking to take profits is risky as not placing your stop loss, especially when the market is not greatly trending. So at this point, I want to see another push up, a pullback. If we have a bullish engulfer, I'm going to take another long, so only taking buy trades till I see a condition, a reversal condition like bearish engulfers, double top, 382 or pin bar. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. For now, I'm still bullish for nat gas, still looking for a good pullback. We can get a possible pullback to 50 or 20 EMA, a possible bullish engulfer, and then another long. And the next zone for nat gas is right above, which I'm going to mention in my next video. If the price break above this zone, then we have a confirmation that price wants to head higher towards the next level level of support. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, I'll keep you informed as always the next day. On exactly the same, I'm still waiting for the price to head higher, make a new high from here, then a pullback, exactly the same condition I've just mentioned. Keep on taking longs until the price hit the level of resistance on my platform. It is right here, 2.961 goes up to 3.063. If we have a good push up, then this is the zone from where I want to look for my sell conditions with my bearish engulfers, double top 382 candles. All these are my selling conditions. For now, I'm still looking for buy trades, not selling net gas as long as we are above this trend line, not breaking and closing below this trend line with at least 2 red candles. If you are trading here on NEMEX, keep an eye here on this rejection box right here, the number in blue. I want to see a good break above this high. For now, we can get a hit of this zone, which is right here, the big zone here, and the rejection box is right here. If you have a rejection, we have a condition like a double top, or if you have a rejection like a 382 candle here, bearish engulfer, in that case, we can expect a little scalp and then the price can head higher. So that's what I'm looking at for net gas. Keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short or long. These are the condition for now. I'm bullish for net gas, is still running in an uptrend. Next one, we have gold. Gold has formed a bullish engulfing pattern. Now, it did not hit my zone, means I'm still not taking an entry, but that is a signal that buyers is now taking over and they're trying to push the market higher. So we can get a little push up from here, maybe hit of 20 EMA, and then a possible push back down here in the zone, which is 1793.59 goes up to 13.95, from where I look for a condition, something exactly like this I've just shown here, right here, a bullish engulfer. If we have that pattern here, we have a good signal, and I will enter my buy trade with conditions like this, or a double bottom pattern, 382 candle, whatever you want to call it, all my buy condition from this area of value. For now, I'm just expecting a little pullback, maybe 20 EMA or maybe 50 EMA, and then look for another sell trade. Keep on taking sell trades until the price hit my zone in green. So keep an eye here. I'm not taking any buy trades for now, as long as I'm not in my area of value. My rules are very strict. I do not get panic. This is just a fear of missing out. This is not for me. If it didn't hit my zone, that's fine. If it does, then I have my good confidence, good technical factor. In that case, I'll go long. Right here on silver, exactly the same as gold. I'm still waiting for the price to hit the zone below, which is right here, 20.62. That goes down to 20.00, a zone from where I'm expecting a good bounce. I'm still waiting for the price to hit my zone to take my long trade. For now, we can get a pullback, a possible retest of 786 retracement, which is 21.48 on this platform. We can get a possible push lower. So that's what I'm looking at for silver and gold. Keep an eye here. Once we have conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Next one, we have crude oil. Nice push up out of my minor level of support. And if you look here, if you entered here, let's say you have entered a little bit below, let's look at that. And the ATR is 99, almost $1. So $1 will be your ATR, something like this, something like this. So a good stop loss below the zone as well. So I would go for that. And that is your take profit hit. Even if you entered at the start of this candle, at the close of this candle, in that case, your $1 target is still hit. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the condition and how we entered this trade. 82.11 goes up to 84.05, from where I'm going to look for a good reversal trades once the price hit the zone. For now, after a little bounce, I'm only going to look for my sell trade with bearish engulfers. And nice one. So I've also said that I'm not expecting a very big bounce. That's why I'm not in this trade anymore, because that is an exact bounce I was looking for. A good scalp of $1, that is enough. And now we are still pushing lower. So if we get a hit of 50 or 20 EMA, we can get a likely sell signal, which is a bearish engulfing candle. If we have that, a green and a bigger red candle in this area below 50 EMA, only one candle can close above 50 EMA. If we have a next candle closed back below 50 EMA, a lots of mess here, sorry for that. In that case, we have a sell signal and we can expect another push down. I will look for a double bottom. If we have a rejection or a condition like bullish engulfer, in that case, I will take another long. Next sell trade will be below this low. If we have a push below this low, in that case, I will look for my sell trades till the price hit my next level of support, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.